forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, let's do some extra problems based on sets. Question 1. For any sets A and B, show that power set A intersection B is equal to power set A intersection power set B. Just recall the definition of power set. Power set is a collection of all subsets of set A. I will give an examples only for randomly. Let A is equal to A comma B. Then power set A is a collection of all subsets of set A. Means phi, curly bracket A, curly bracket B and curly bracket A comma B. Means every element in a power set is a set. Now start this. To show two sets are equal, we have to show every element of this set is also an element of this set and every element of this set is also an element of this set. Like power set contains sets. So let capital X, not take small x. Capital X means set. Sets are generally represented by capital letters. That's why. Let X belong to power set A intersection B. Next step, definition of power set. X belong to this. It means X is a subset of A intersection B. Now just draw Venn diagram. Set A, set B. This is universal set and this is X. X is a subset of A intersection B. Means X is a subset of A as well as X is a subset of B. X is a subset of A and X is a subset of B. Next step. If X is a subset of A, then X belongs to power set A and X belong to power set B. Implies X belong to this set and X belong to this set. Means X belong to power set A intersection power set B and means intersection. So X belong to this and X belong to this. Therefore X is subset of therefore PA intersection B is subset of power set A intersection power set B. Give equation number 1. Now take another element. Let Y belong to power set A intersection power set B. Implies Y belong to power set A, intersection is end. Y belong to power set B. Means Y is a subset of A and Y is a subset of B. Y is subset of A and Y is subset of B. So where is Y? Just see Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, and this is universal set. So where is Y? Inside this portion. Because Y is subset of A and Y is also subset of A, is Y lies in intersection portion. So next step, Y is subset of A intersection B by Venn diagram. Next step, Y subset of this means Y belong to power set A intersection B. Starting point is power set A intersection power set B. Y belong to this and end point is Y belong to this. Therefore, power set A intersection power set B is subset of power set A intersection B. Give equation number 2. Equation 1, this set is subset of this set, means every element of this set is also element of this set. In equation 2, this set is subset of this, means every element of this set is also element of this, means both are equal. So therefore power set A intersection B is equal to power set A intersection power set B. Hence true. Next problem. Is it true that for any sets A and B, power set A union B equal to power set A union power set B? Justify your answer. Normally first steps to show this equal to this, means this set is subset of this set or this set is subset of this set. So let X belong to power set A union B implies X belong to this, means X is subset of A union B. अब next step you have to write X is subset of A or X is subset of B. We can't write, just see, this is a very special case. If I take set X here, then X is a subset of A union B. Every element of X lies in this portion, so X is subset of A union B. X belong to X or X belong to B. Statement is true. X belong to X is subset of A or X is subset of B. But if I write X here, then X is subset of A union B, X is subset of A and X is subset of B. It is also true. If I take X here, then X is subset of A union B, then X is subset of B. Now take different positions. Take X here, little portion in A and some portion in B also. Still X is subset of A union B and X is subset of A or X is subset of B, correct? If I draw here, then still X is subset of A union B and X is subset of A or X is subset of B. But in this case, if I take X here and take few elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and check, X is 2, 3, 4 is subset of A union B, but X is not a subset of set A because 4 belong to set X, 4 does not belong to A. 2 belong to set X, 2 does not belong to set B. So in this case we can't write X is subset of A or X is subset of B. Means such type of questions we have to give counter example. So this is wrong steps. Only for understanding I will write. This is wrong. Correct is give counter example. So let us consider sets. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A intersect A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us consider a set X is equal to 2, 3, 4. Clearly, X is a subset of A union B. Because every element of set X is also an element of A union B. Next step, but X is not a subset of A. Why? Because 4 belong to X, 4 does not belong to A. 4 belong to X, 4 does not belong to. So X is not a subset of A and X is not a subset of B. Why X is not a subset of B? Because 2 belong to X, 2 does not belong to B. implies X is not a subset of A, means X does not belong to power set A and X does not belong to power set B. It means X does not belong to power set A union power set B. Outside negation, so when we open X does not belong to power set A, in place of union we use AND. So X belong to A union B. Here it means X belong to power set A union B. But X does not belong to power set A union power set B. Means this set is not a subset of this set. Means both are not equal. So therefore power set A union B is not equal to power set A union power set B. Hence proved. Next problem. Prove that A minus B equal to B complement minus A complement. Start from right hand side. RHS is equal to B complement minus A complement. Apply this formula. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. So in place of this we can write B dash intersection complement of A complement. So B complement intersection complement of A complement is equal to A. B complement intersection A can be written as A intersection B complement. With respect to intersection, sets are commutative. Is equal to A minus B by this formula. A minus B equal to this is equal to left hand side. Hence proved. Next problem. Show that A intersection B equal to A intersection C need not imply B equal to C. Means we have to give counter example. First draw Venn diagram. Universal set is denoted by U. Take three sets A, B and C. A intersection B equal to A intersection C. This portion is A intersection B equal to A intersection C. This portion equal to this portion. It is only possible when we write any element here and don't write any element here and here. A intersection B 2 and A intersection C 2. And not take extra elements. Take anything 3, 4, 5. Don't write here or here. Let A is equal to 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 5 and C is equal to 2, 4. Clearly A intersection B is equal to 2 and A intersection C is equal to 2. So both are equal. A intersection B equal to A intersection C, but B is not equal to C. Every element of set B is not an element of set C. Every element of set C is not an element of set B. It means B not equal to C. Hence proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.